Hello guys, Asif here. Today we are back with another review video, that is Ubot. So let's start the review. So Ubot, the world's most powerful backlinks creator. One click software creates automatically backlinks plus ranks instantly on Google page on number one and free buyer traffic with zero monthly fees. It's 100% newbie friendly, zero tech skills required, and zero experience needed. So with Ubot, you can create high quality backlinks instantly for your blogs, websites, etc. Reach fast on Google page on number one with no extra effort. Get faster indexing for your web pages. Drive laser targeted traffic for any offer in any niche. Automatic updates with no extra installation hassles. Even newbies can drive real traffic and sales. 100% cloud based, newbie friendly technology. Beginner friendly step by step training and videos. So, guys, if you are if you want to buy Ubot, you can click on this button and we can see how much they are paying. $17. That's very little amount. So guys, if you are interested in buying this, you can check the link in description box, and I'll also provide bonuses if you buy from my given link in the description box. The bonuses are the full affiliate marketing course, and one more bonus I am providing with this software is how you can make any course to sell online if you buy from my link. So let's know more about this. This is this one demo, number one ranking. So let's know more about this. There are two steps to create high quality backlinks. Step 1, choose your niche, and step 2 is instant page on number one ranking. So this is made by Rudy Rudra. He is also a famous marketer. So let's know more about this. So see how third parties earn millions by selling backlinks to tons of hungry clients. On Fiverr, they are selling at the rate on $295. They are selling on $100. So you guys, you can see what is how much the backlink creators demanded. So let's know more about this. Some testimonials. These are all lengthy space information. Not all information are useful. So what's it? How now you too can create high quality backlinks like a pro without paying huge for paid traffic every month, wasting money, time and money on expensive third parties, depending on any hit and trial methods, worrying for doing everything yourself, waiting for months and years to see results, needing any prior tech or marketing skills. Watch your bank account overflow with the real affiliate commissions while you are sipping your coffee. So these are some copied screenshots from Warrior Players account. So let's know more. Here how you can use Ubot to grow your business. attract new customers, sell backlinks for 100% profit, and boost your brand exposure. Get higher return of investment for marketing efforts. Forget spending huge fees on expansion, website ranking solutions forever. No monthly fees, no prior tech skills, no learning curve, no extra effort, no third party dependency, no hidden charges. So guys, nothing else in the market comes close to YouTube. You bought. What are the features left? One time price. Others, no monthly subscription. New friendly, yes. Commercial license, yes. Compatibility, yes. Pocket friendly, yes. Additional bonuses, yes. Hidden charges, no. And automatic updates, yes. So when you grab ubot today, you also get cool bonuses for thousands. The bonus number one is email scraper bot premium worth $1,997. Bonus number two is expired domain bot worth almost $3,000. Bonus number three is 100 day a day income, $100 a day income system worth almost $1,000. Bonus number four is internet download manager IDM worth $1,000. Bonus number five is keyword finder plus PBN hunter worth almost $2,000. Pay close attention as these bonuses are worth $2,598. Okay, mark my words, these bonuses have never been offered before and you won't find them ever at any cost. The choice is yours. Grab your copy now or let them pass away to come back never ever. Okay, so let's know more about what they are providing. Here's everything you get with the ubot today. High quality backlinks for your blogs and websites instantly at $297. Google number one page ranks with no extra effort, almost $197. Value, send ultimate visitors to you your offers, $197. Value, step by step video training, almost $197. Premium world class customer support, $197. Value, drive targeted traffic without investing in paid ads, almost $97. Faster indexing of your web pages to boost customers experience, almost $97. Free bonus number one is email scraper bot premium. Free bonus number two is expired domain bot premium. Free bonus number three is internet download manager, $997. Free bonus number four, $100 a day income stream, $997. Free bonus number five, keyword finder plus PBN hunter, $1,997. 30 days money back guarantee, priceless. Total worth is $10,264. The regular price is $850 per year. Total only one time is $17 if you pay now. So guys, hurry, only 10 hours left. So as if you are interested in buying ubot, you can check the link in description box, and also don't forget to grab my bonuses. Those I will provide you if you purchase from my given link, that is also in description box. To grab the bonuses, you just need to share payment and screenshot over my Instagram, and I'll share the bonuses over there. You will also get Instagram link in description box. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Also comment if you have any question or a query. Thanks for watching my video.